Hello friend, today we will learn the concept of decision making statements in VB.NET. First we discuss what is decision making statements. Basically, these statements helps the user to execute statements on the basis of given condition. In VB.NET, two types of decision making statements are first if statements and second is select case statements. If we discuss with if statements, there are four types of if statements are used in VB.NET. First, if, then and if. Second, if, then, else and if. Third is if, then, else, if. It is also called if else ladder. Then the fourth category is nested if. That is rarely used by the users. Now we discuss with the first one, if, then and if. This statement is used to test the condition, and if it is true then execute the block given after then, otherwise skip it. The syntax of it is if, then condition we have to give, then after statements whatever we have to give, and it completes with and if. Example, you can see if n equal 5 then message box dot show number is 5. If value of n will not be 5 then it will be skipped by the user. That was the basic concept of this if then statement. Now when condition is true or false, at that time we want the result for both of the condition, either it will be true or false. Then we have to use the second type of state if statement, that is if then else and if then else and if statement. If we will discuss with this statement is used to test the condition, and if it is true then execute the block given after then, otherwise it execute the block given after else. At a time it execute only one block. Syntax will be if condition, then statements, else, then statements, and if. So here at a time only the one thing can get execute, that will be there. After this, the another type of if statement, that is if then else if, that is also called if else ladder. This statement is used to test more than one conditions. Since it tests the condition in a sequence, it is also called if else ladder statement. Here the syntax you can see, if condition 1 then statements, else if condition 2 then statements, like that. Many conditions can come, and at the last it will be with else and then a statement, and if will be there. Here the concept is that when condition 1 is satisfied, then after the then statements will get executed, rest of the part will skipped. If condition 1 is not being satisfied, then we will move for condition 2, and same process we have to follow for the others. So whatever condition will be satisfied, that will get executed. Now another statement that is there, that is nested if. Nested if, it means calling itself. So it means we can use one if or else if statement inside another if or else statement. That is the concept. But this nested if is being used by less of the people because it makes the complexity for the users, and due to that it is rarely used by the many people. So most of the time instead of nested if, we prefer to use if else ladder, not nested if. Now the another concept, that is select case statement. It is also used to select one option from multiple options. each option is represented by a case. Select case statement is similar to if then else if. It means it is like the if else ladder. It has case else when any case value or expression is not satisfied, like else part of the any of the if statement, it is having case else part that can be used. Now the select case statement having the syntax select case expression whatever we have to give, case expression 1 and then a statement, case expression 2 then a statement, like that case else and number statement and end select. These are all are considered a decision making statement in VB.NET. Those can be discussed and those can be used for the various conditions that we have to use in programming. Now in this section we have discussed about the basics of them. In further section we will discuss how to use them through various examples. If you like these decision making statements and their content that has been represented by me, then like it and also subscribe it and give comments for the betterment of further lectures. Thank you. Have a nice day.